Hello student, in this video we talk about how to import media files in Filmora 11. So open your Filmora and then you see the media file. First you see the import button, and from here you click on this drop down list. So you see all the options. So import media file, so you can click on Ctrl+I, then you import your media file. So I click on Ctrl+I, so the option is available, and from here you choose the video files. I have no video files in this folder, and in this folder I have video files, so it sees the video file, and from here I choose the image file, and from here I choose the image file here, and from here I select all the files. So I import this media file. So the media file is imported. So the first option from here, you click on drop down or click on drop down and import media, or press Ctrl+I to import your media file. Another thing is import a media folder. If you want to import the whole folder in your PC, for example, I have this folder. I have this folder prog travel guide. If I want to import this whole folder, so I go to my Filmora and click on it, and from here import a media folder, click on it, and from here I choose my folder, right, open my folder, prog travel guide, click on it and OK, and the whole folder is imported, and all my videos and photos and videos import to my Filmora media library, right? So it is the second way to import your files and pictures. Import from a camera or phone. If you have connected a phone or a camera to your PC or laptop, then you click this button and import the media from your camera or your phone, right? And the fourth, import with instant cutter tool. It is a very best thing, right? So click on this instant cutter tool, right, double click to adjust the file, and it has two options. First the trim option, and the second is merge option. We discuss all the two options right now. First we discuss the trim option. So click on open file and choose your folder and select your video, right. I have import a video, right. I want, because if this video is long as 3 hours 2 hours, but you want to just select a specific point, means you does not want to the whole video, you just want to a specific slide, a 5-minute slide or 6-minute slide to import to your Filmora file, and the other is not to import. So it is the best tool, right? So from here you select your video, right, from here to here, right, and then click on this curly bracket, so your information is saved, and from here you select this information and then select your option video, right, and from here click curly button, or from here you also select this, right, and then you click on export button. So the selected information will say to send to Filmora or open output folder or do nothing. So we have sent to Filmora, and you have size to 2.50 MB, and then you click on OK, and the selected portion will goes to Filmora, and the besides does not go to Filmora, right. So the videos comes to Filmora. The second thing in this option is the option is merge. So now we discuss the merge option in instant cutter tool. So double click on it to adjust the screen, then click on merge. If you have, I have 3 videos, right, 1 2 3, I have 3 videos in this folder. I want to merge these 3 videos or 5 videos or 2 videos or 100 videos, to merge this video and then export to Filmora. So you select the videos 1 2 3, right, and then OK. For this the Tubebuddy, the file is not supported. Please try another file. From this option you have to save specific video qualities, right? So the two videos is not as specific ratio and the one is different specific ratio, right? So we choose another folder, chartboard folder. I tried this video to import, not this specific ratio does not match to this video, so we try another folder to match. There is no video. Prog library, no video. Automatic, write this. So this video specific ratio is same as to the this video. So we you change this option. For example, this video is not and this is first. You drag drop option. So right, we drag it. Yes. So the first, if you want to see this video in first, so it is first and it is last. And if you want to, this is first and this is last. So first choose it and then choose it, right? So it is a drag and drop option, right? So this video is up and this is down. And if you want to first edit this video and second edit this video, so you drag down, drag drop, select it and drag down, right, and it is down, right? Now I want to merge these two videos, so you click on export button or you select just two options, but we export these two videos as same, right? So then export and these two videos will be merged. So I play it. So the video is playing. And merge these two videos, right? So then click on export button and send to Filmora. From here you choose to send to Filmora, and we in there we rename these videos as merge videos, right, to see in the Filmora media library. Then click on OK, and these two videos edit in Filmora, right, in the name of merge videos. So see the merge videos, right, and there is no merge videos. Yeah, it is. So we have drag and drop, right, in the same media. Now we play our two merge videos. So you see that Filmora merge on two videos. First video is that and the second video is that. So I play the two videos which I have merged by instant cutter tool, right? So it is start the second videos. In this tool you import a specific video clip from any film, any video, and in the merge section you merge any clips and import it into your Filmora, right? And for fifth is import with auto beat sync and import from other apps, from Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox. So link your and connect your internet and link your account, and then you import your media files into your Filmora. And from here you also choose the record media, import media. From here you see this option, and from here you can create your folder. And in another lesson we talk about how to create folder into your Filmora account. Thanks for watching for this video.